Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix TeraBox app not working. So let's get started. So here we will directly search for TeraBox. Okay. So here I can see, first of all, I have to locate the app. Okay. Then here I have to just press and hold. Just click on this I button. So it will open to my I like app info. Then here we have to go there and click on the storage, and then we have to click on the clear data option. Okay, just clear the data. Okay, then it's done. So here we have to just go back. Okay, then here we have to open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work, you can check for update. Go for here Play Store, just search for TeraBox. Okay, and update it from here and it will be done. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.